Hello, welcome to STEMFest at the Beacon of Light here in Sunderland. We're going to be here for the next 3 days. We've got 3,000 kids, some 65 different exhibitors. It's an amazing opportunity for young people and industry to network, to come together, to unleash a whole world of ideas and to make the future a better place. I still don't know what I want to be when I grow up. And certainly when I was at school, I had no idea what I wanted to be when I grew up. Because a lot of the time, certainly when I was at school, the world of work, the world of industry, the world of companies was completely invisible. And events like this, where suddenly you guys become visible to young people, I cannot express how important it is and how wonderful it is. Because you're going to talk to loads of kids today, but there'll be one kid who you have a conversation with and you show a particular thing with, and something will click in their brains and it will send them off on a path and a life will be transformed.
I think if we can hear just one or two powerful stories of young people being inspired and thinking differently about their path in life and the opportunities that lie ahead for them in the Northeast, that would be enough for me.
That's it. I mean, there's going to be sort of 3,000 kids coming through here. Not everyone is going to find something, but a few of them will. And so have the kids been engaged? Can you sense that an enthusiasm and interest in the subject?
I think there's a lot of elements of competition in our exhibits, to be fair, which has kept them engaged. But as part of that, it's allowed us to tell them the story of energy and where those jobs are and where they can get excited about it.
I always think that's really important. It just kind of goes in by osmosis. You don't have to kind of force the point home. Just by doing stuff is enough.
Exactly.
Cyber defense. So what have you got? We've got this table and a Connect 4 kind of game going on here. What is it you're going to get kids to be doing, and what would you like to get out of this 3 days?
So we run this event. It's quite quick for the kids to get involved in, but in cyber security you have two teams. So we have a red team, which would be the attacking team, and a blue team, which would be the defenders. And that's what we try to represent here. So we've got some encrypted words for the kids to decrypt. And then when they decrypt a word, they get to put a token in the Connect 4 board, and it's traditional Connect 4 from there.
Oh, okay, so it's like a challenge.
Yeah, like attackers versus defenders. It's kind of how we work in the real world.
We'll ask them what they want to do, and very invariably it's, am I either going to be a footballer or
that's what I want to do. I'm going to be a TikToker and a footballer when I grow up.
And then I start saying, well, have you thought about this? And I start explaining to them about print and how it is around them, and really we get into the hands-on stuff quite quickly. So I'm not throwing technical things at them. I'm not going to bore them with exactly what we do because that's a very quick way for them to switch off. But as soon as they start making things, then I can start talking to them about it, and it's.
It's really interesting actually watching the companies talking to the kids.